adjustable microneedling Derma stamp for just $5 from AliExpress. If you're watching this, you probably lose your hair or you just want to look younger by microneedling your skin, because these can be expensive and I didn't want to get those which have just one size of needles. I got this adjustable one from AliExpress and I'm impressed. So check this out. This model is basically it is like stamp and have holes. They all have one needle inside of it, and you have here adjustable screw like, and you can choose up to more than 3 mils of needle height. I'm gonna show you now. This is a 1 mil. So we have 1 mil, and go even further. This is basically the maximum. Really nice item to have for your head, for your face skin, or whatever you really plan to do with it. There is a link down below. You can also check out my link in bio. There are AliExpress coupons to get further superb discounts. Subscribe for more amazing content. See ya.